Good morning, everybody. It is 8 a.m. on a Tuesday morning, and I am currently getting ready to paint. As you can see, I'm coming to you from the bathroom downstairs today because upstairs the smoke alarm keeps beeping and it's actually doing my head in because I can't figure out how to turn it off. I've tried pressing the test and hush button and it won't hush. Can't find the reset button and I can't reach high enough to get the screwdriver to like unplug it to change the battery, so I'm gonna have to wait till Stephen comes home. So that's why we're down here today. And if you watched like a couple of videos ago when I said I was gonna like decorate the bathroom and get like a really cool picture here, well, I've not done that yet, so just ignore how like medical it looks. This vlog is going to be a little bit different because, as you can see from the title, it's mostly going to be about renovations. We moved into this house just over a year ago and we renovated upstairs before we moved in. We were meant to be like living with my mum for 2 weeks and we ended up living with her for 3 months. So we renovated the bedroom, we built a full Stephen built a full dressing room, we did his office, the spare room, and got the floors carpeted and like the hall painted and everything. But the living room, we've decided we're going to do it ourselves, and well, we're going to paint it ourselves. We did it ourselves anyway, but this one we're going to actually like paint the full thing ourselves, and it's actually like the biggest job out of all the other rooms because it's a full, I'm so out of breath, I don't know why, because it's a full wooden ceiling and it's a huge ceiling. So I don't know why we've decided to do that, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. I'm going to quickly show you the living room and tell you like what I think I'm going to do. So it's like super 70s and dark and kind of as if you're in like a lodge. It's cozy and stuff, but it's just not kind of the vibe of our house. We're thinking of changing the wood to white, which we think will open the room like completely. These were the original lights, which we have now changed to these. We had them hanging down there as well. We've also still to choose a paint colour for the walls, and it's between these three. I'm liking this one and so is Stephen. This is what it'll look like beside the light with the white ceiling, which I think will look really nice and as if we're in like Malibu, have our own beach house. This is Pablo, our peace plant. Stephen's trying to save him. He's doing really well. We also put in spotlights. As you can see, Stephen's great polyfilling. That'll need sanded. I am excited to say that half the room, near enough, now has a full coat. I am not so excited to say that I'm not sure that I like it as much as I thought I was going to. I don't see like my whole vision coming to life. Stephen says he does. He's like, oh no, I can see it now. Whereas I'm like, oh no, now I can't. So I think it's because there's only the one coat of paint, so it looks super patchy and like the dark is still coming through. I honestly think it's going to need like 5 coats of paint. I can't reach the top like 4 or 5 panels, so I'm thinking if I wear my platform Crocs then I'll be able to reach. These are my Crocs. Wait till I turn them around and show you in comparison to my face. Like in comparison to my face, these are going to give me like some height to reach the top of the ceiling. Hi guys, please excuse the state of my hair. I'm just having a quick dinner. I'm having pasta and sauce, the most like, well actually no, it says low fat, so I think it's healthy. but like most non-nutritious dinner in the on the planet. Having a really quick dinner because I'm going to see Oasis tonight. I was never really like their biggest fan, but my sister was like a huge fan. So I feel like I know all their words because of her. She used to have like every song on repeat in the house when I was growing up. And Richard Ashcroft is the supporting act. So like that's giving me like millennial throwback of Cruel Intentions. Can't wait to hear Bittersweet Symphony. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be like a gazillion bucket hats there. And I don't have a bucket hat. So I think I'm feeling a little bit left out already. It has been a few days since I last spoke to you, and I know it was like super random adding in like going to Oasis, but that was like amazing. And I was right, there was like a gazillion bucket hats there. There's now 3 coats in the living room, and today I have a little helper. Stephen is helping me today, so hopefully it should go so much faster and we'll get it finished. Adding the caulk on, low, for final touches. My helper today.
Yes, boss, yes, Captain.
Good job filling in all the holes.
Well.
Low. Stephen's going to varnish our window ledges today. As you can see, they're kind of like that orange wood, and then recently we had a wasp's nest there, so we had to fill the whole bit with glue because they were trying to come through the window and we could hear them after getting rid of the wasp's nest, and then we tried to get rid of the glue and then completely ruined the window. We're thinking like a cherry wood, cherry oak colour, which we think will be really nice. Windowsills are painted in a nice cherry oak colour, aren't they, Oreo? Do you like the new windowsills? I actually don't think I showed you this earlier. So our living room is split into 2 areas. So this is like our living room. And then over here, we're going to make this the dining room and get like a huge table here, which Stephen actually wants to build. I'm thinking that our fireplace gives off like the whole beachy Malibu vibe. The marble bit looks like sand, and then that looks like a rock. And then it goes sort of with the Egyptian cotton up there. But yeah, we put the room together every night so that we can watch TV again. Painting is complete. The room looks absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with it so far. I'm bringing this vlog to a close. Renovations part 1. So thank you for watching. I know it's been a little bit random with like Oasis and a little bit different than my usual ones because I don't usually do like renovations. But I hope you enjoyed it because it has been an absolute like adventure renovating our house. I'm really looking forward to filming part 2 because hopefully the walls are going to be all nice and like beachy and Malibu-y, and not like some clown who's just went and like it looks like a clown house because it's all colours. Because like I'm used to doing the room like cream and like cream furniture, so hopefully I don't like hate it, fingers crossed. So I better go before this face wash just like stays in my face. I need to wash it off. But thank you for watching, and comment below if you have a blue like living room or you've done a white ceiling, for any tips and tricks and what kind of decor you think we should do. Bye!